I got a bit of a problem. When the guys come and cut our hay back here in our pasture, they can't get up close to the fence line. So we end up with a lot of extra gunk here, and this just turns into bushes and shrubs and everything if we don't get rid of it. They can't get close because these limbs from these trees get so low. So we're gonna come along here and try to clear out some of these limbs so that next year they'll be able to get through here, and I'll probably come back and trim this up with the mower, but we're at least gonna try to get this trimmed up. Now I'm gonna pull out my Worx chainsaw. This thing has a couple of great features. One, I can use it just like a hand chainsaw. And two, I can put it on the pole and use it like a pole saw to get the top limbs, right? I can come get the lower ones and the top ones with one tool. That's a big benefit to this thing. It uses the same exact batteries that I've used on my Worx trimmer and blower. I had them for years. The batteries are all the 20 volt, 2 amp hours. They're interchangeable. Now, Worx did not send me this for free. I paid for this with my own money. If you do click one of my associate links, I may make money off of that transaction if you make a purchase, but outside of that, this is just my opinions. Everything to do with this is all about what I think about this saw. All right, I've already started some of the low cleanup. Let's go ahead and keep going with this here. All right, so you can see, I mean, that's a decent sized limb and it still cuts through that with no problem. It's not just for little bitty limbs. It does a great job. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and go get the pole out and hook it up, and you can see how well it works on those tie branches up there. Now this limb is not crazy high, so I don't have to extend the pole all the way. I've just got to get it up there to have a little bit of reach. And it goes through that like nothing. And as you can see, that one's just a little bit higher than what I can get to, so I'm gonna extend the pole and be able to get up there with no issues at all. If you need a chainsaw with some versatility, check out this Worx 20 volt battery powered pole saw. You can use it like a handheld chainsaw. You can add the pole to it and get those high up limbs with no issues at all. It uses the same batteries as previous Worx products, like my my trimmer, my blower use the same 20 volt battery pack. So I've always got spare batteries with me, so I got plenty of life to get through all these limbs that I need to. This thing extends like crazy. I don't have to worry about tensioning the belt. It takes care of itself. So far, I'm extremely happy with this product. So go check it out. Again, Worx did not sponsor this, but if you click my associate links in the description, I may make a bit of money if you make a purchase off of that. But I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks. Y'all have a great day.